Hello everyone and welcome to I Speak Organized. Today's video is all about organizing jewelry, and I'm going to show you what my current setup is and explain to you why it's not working for me and what I'm going to do to fix it. So if you're looking for some new ways of organizing your own jewelry collection, then stick around and let's get into it. Oh my god, look how organized my house is. Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for sticking around. If you don't know me, my name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant. I help hardworking families and professionals find form in their space and purpose for every phase of life. Okay, so I can't really get any dorkier than that. But yeah. If you are into all things organizing and decluttering or looking for suggestions for different types of storage solutions in your home or small office space, then you should consider subscribing to this channel. I make tons and tons of new videos all about organizing, everything from organization tutorials to storage system ideas to motivation techniques and day in the life with a professional organizer, and even suggestions for how to start your own professional organizing career. If you're into that sort of thing, please hit the subscribe button. It'll be a little circle icon of my face at the end of the video, and that will make you an official member of the Speaker fam. All right, I went ahead and took off my sweater because it's really hot. It's kind of strange that it's still so warm. We're kind of in that season in the Pacific Northwest where it's like winter in the morning and spring in the afternoon and like summer for a little bit, and then it goes back to being winter again, all in the span of 24 hours. So, you know. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna show you what I am currently doing for jewelry organization and then show you how I'm gonna make some adjustments. So this guy, as you can see, is an earring tree, and it was a great idea in theory. It is a little flimsy and very top heavy, and kind of more like decorative than functional, and it collects a lot of dust. And if you've watched any of my other organizing tutorials or any of my other videos in general, you know that one of my absolute least favorite activities in the world is dusting. So this organizing solution is just not the one for me. I'm probably gonna end up donating this or giving it to somebody who would appreciate it more than I would. I'm replacing the earring tree with this acrylic drawer organizer, and I have something very similar for organizing my makeup in my bathroom. If you haven't seen my makeup organization tutorial, it's a really good one. I go through my entire makeup collection, which I've pared down significantly, and show you how I organize backstock, how I store brushes and palettes and skincare products, and I go into a lot of detail about how to properly recycle aerosol cans as well as makeup containers, and also how to find the expiration dates on certain skincare and makeup products because it can be a bit tricky. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it up in the corner. There'll be a little card that'll pop up right there and you can check it out. I've got a little mirror in here and I've got some studs. I'm gonna try to balance this on my leg without it falling over. I had the best of intentions with these things. You know, this is what I was talking about, securing the earring through the plastic piece here. That's really just not working for me. I haven't worn those earrings in quite some time because of how inconvenient it is to use them. So I'm gonna be taking those out and sticking them in the new unit. There's some little felt fingers in here that are kind of getting overrun with some things that need to be stored better. And then I've just got, you know, other compartments. And then down below in this, there are several drawers, and I want to kind of just organize them a bit better and free up some space, potentially get rid of a few things, and make room for some of the jewelry that I really love. This guy also came with this little travel jewelry box, which I actually love, but I'm not using it for what I had intended it for. Right now I'm keeping my little hoop earrings in here, and you know, a couple little necklaces and things, but I want to revert it back to my travel jewelry box. Back to my earring storage solution. I love these little felt, I call them fingers. I don't really know what else you'd call them, these little felt pads right here. For storing earring studs and things like that. My earrings kind of just end up getting all over the place because I'm not using the organizing solution that I had invested in. So if you're not using it, then it's not a good solution. So I have these little pineapple earrings. You can see, there they are, super cute. They have the backs on them. All you have to do when you have one of these is just stick it in, push it into the little pad, and it's secure. It's not gonna fall out, and it's just a super easy way to store them. I used to have an entire jewelry armoire, like a big freestanding furniture piece, and I was collecting a lot of really cheap costume jewelry, and it just got kind of out of hand and ridiculous. You know, you could go to places like Forever 21 and buy big hauls full of, you know, just cheap costume jewelry, and while it was cute, it wasn't very good quality. So I have responsibly gotten rid of a lot of that cheap costume jewelry and invested in a smaller piece so that I have to limit myself to what I keep, and I limit it to things that I actually really love and wear frequently. A lot of the jewelry that I own has been passed down from other family members, and some of it is like 30 plus years old, so I want to hang on to things like that rather than investing in the cheap gaudy stuff, because, you know, you get what you pay for. As always, if there's a product that catches your eye that I suggest or use in the video, I always make sure to link it down in the description below. So if you're watching this video on your phone, go ahead and turn it from this position to this position and click the little arrow that will drop down the description box and scroll until you find the links to the products in the video. So if you're just getting started on a project like this and you are trying to figure out how in the world to do that, I usually ask people to think about what their end goal is or what their vision is for when they're done. Usually people know how they want things to be, and so, you know, if your goal is to have less clutter overall and have only the things that you really love, or if the goal is to just store the things that you have better, take better care of them, or maybe you just want to be able to see everything, you usually can use that as a good starting point to be able to figure out what type of storage solution is right for you. So in my case, my goal is to be able to see all of the things that I use frequently and be able to keep them from accumulating a ton of dust. And so that's going to be my starting point for getting this project done. And that is it. I wanted to show you guys a really super simple project to do when you only have a little bit of time or a little bit of motivation to get an organizing project done. When I work with clients, a lot of times they get into a place where they look at all of the different things that they need to do to get their home organized, and it becomes a very overwhelming situation. And so what I try to do is encourage my clients to pick one small project just like this and focus on that, and you can get through it in a very short period of time. And if you just think about things one drawer at a time, one small project at a time, set a timer or whatever is going to help you kind of compartmentalize and make the job seem a little bit less overwhelming, that's what I always suggest to do. So I hope that that is helpful to you, and I hope that you have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of your week. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be all about updating and preparing emergency kits and first aid supplies for the upcoming winter. And yeah, I'm here for you. So I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.